Planet. A planet, meaning wandering star, is an astronomical object orbiting a star or stellar remnant that is massive enough to be surrounded by its own gravity. It's not massive enough to cause thermonuclear fusion and has cleared its neighboring region of planetesimals. The term planet is ancient, with ties to history, science, mythology, and religion. Several planets in the solar system can be seen by the naked eye. These planets were originally seen by many early cultures as divine or as emissaries of deities. As scientific knowledge advanced, human perception of the planets changed, incorporating a number of disparate objects. In 2006, the International Astronomical Union officially adopted a resolution defining planets within the solar system. This definition is controversial because it excludes many objects of planetary mass based on where or what they orbit. Although 8 of the planetary bodies discovered before 1950 remain planets, under the modern definition, some celestial bodies, such as Ceres, Pallas, Juno, Vesta, each an object in the solar asteroid belt, and Pluto, the first trans-Neptunian object discovered, that were once considered planets by the scientific community, are no longer viewed as such. The planets were thought by Ptolemy to orbit Earth in different and applicable epicyclical motions. Although the idea that the planets orbited the Sun have been suggested many times, it was not until the 17th century that this view was supported by evidence from the first telescopic astronomical observations performed by Galilei. By careful analysis of the observation data, Kepler found the planets' orbits were not circular but elliptical. As observational tools improved, astronomers saw that, like Earth, the planets rotated around tilted axes, and some shared such features as ice caps and seasons. Since the dawn of the space age, close observation by space probes has found that Earth and other planets share characteristics such as volcanism, hurricanes, tectonics, and even hydrology. Planets are generally divided into two main types: large, low-density gas giants and smaller, rocky terrestrials. Under IAU definitions, there are 8 planets in the solar system. In order of increasing distance from the Sun, there are 4 terrestrials: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Then the 4 gas giants: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. 6 of the planets are orbited by one or more natural satellites. More than 1,000 planets around other stars, extrasolar planets, or exoplanets, have been discovered in the Milky Way. As of 17 February 2015, 1,890 known extrasolar planets in 1,189 planetary systems, including 477 multiple planetary systems, ranging in the size from just above the size of the Moon to gas giants about twice as large as Jupiter. I'm just reading here, I don't know if it's the truth. On December 20th, 2011, the Kepler Space Telescope team reported the discovery of the first Earth-sized extrasolar planets, Kepler 20e and Kepler 20f, orbiting a Sun-like star, Kepler 20. A 2012 study analyzing gravitational microlensing data estimates an average of at least 1.6 bound planets for every star in the Milky Way. Around 1 in 5 Sun-like stars is thought to have an Earth-sized planet in its habitable zone. So read about the history, mythology, and naming, formation, solar system, planetary attributes, exoplanets, planetary mass objects, rogue planets, sub-brown dwarfs, former stars, satellite planets and belt planets, captured planets, attributes, dynamic characteristics, orbit, axial tilt, rotation, orbital clearing, physical characteristics, mass, internal differentiation, atmosphere and magnetosphere, secondary characteristics. Read all about planet, planet, planet.